Hi planner friends, my name is Cindy and you're watching Little Star Plants. Today we will be using this brand new kit released last week. It's called Mimi Carnival. It's available in Hobonichi Cousins, Weeks, and standard size. I am currently using Hobonichi Cousin. It fits very nicely in this A5 inserts. Here I am showing you the differences between the boxes with glitter overlay and the one without it. I'm currently testing out the different style to see how I like it so far. Overall, it's very nice with the glitter overlay. It really shines very pretty under the light. And currently in my shop, I am only selling the ones without the overlays glitter. I am setting up my week using this brush pen I wrote out this week. I also switched out to a fountain pen to write out this week's dates. And for the most part, I will be mainly using my fountain pen. This fountain pen is actually very affordable and I have been thinking about for the longest time to upgrade to another one, but I'm just not really sure yet because I haven't really done my research since I am still a very beginner at fountain pen, like a newbie. So I'm just wondering, do you use a fountain pen? If so, which one do you use the most and which one is your favorite? And feel free to let me know. Here I am placing my washi sticker with Beeple character that comes with the kit. Occasionally, I do include the Beeple character in my design, but for those who don't know, Beeple is our octopus character which don't appear often in our design, but sometimes they do. They come back. Here I am placing the second washi on the second spread. It's looking very fancy, and I am using this washi tape to add it on the sidebar. You can see right that I'm doing that and using a ruler to cut off my washi tape. Next, I am grabbing some stickers for the sidebar. I added a weekly box at the bottom of my sidebar. I will be using it for mainly tracking meal plans. You can use it for tracking meals or other activities like work hours or house chores, and there's many other ideas too. I decided to add a blue header at the top right underneath the washi tape. I placed a full box with a checklist to track all the incoming tasks for the week. I continue to fill my sidebar with tracker stickers, which you can also find in my kit. The next scene, which I quickly skipped by, I already added a pink header above the full box. The full box is super cute. It has Nuku sitting inside the popcorn, and underneath the full box, I decided to add a beige header. Alright, I'll let you watch the rest of Plan with Me with background music and enjoy. This is the wrap up. I hope you all enjoyed this plan with me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more planning related videos, and I'll see you next time. Bye friends!